guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am so happy you found us. Today I am doing a flip through of a journal I got in that Dollar Tree swap. I'll link the one I did above, put the card above for the one I did. And I just wanted to show you the great journal I got. This journal is amazing. Plus I got an envelope full of the most coolest images ever. So let's start with the flip through. Hey guys, okay, so this is the journal I got in our Dollar Tree swap. We had $14 and we could only make a journal out of everything from Dollar Tree, spending $14. And this is the journal I got, and like I said before, I will put the card with mine above. And she did a great job. I love this journal. I was getting ready to use it, and that's why I want to do the flip through before I do. She covered this part with tissue paper. Isn't that pretty? And then decorations at the bottom. And then these images are from a book I believe she got. And I'll show you more of the images after I do the flip through. This is an envelope. That's a drawing. I bet she did that. She's very talented. And then of course it's got the note card in the envelope. This was a fun challenge, but as I said, very hard. You can see there's a little butterfly and some. And these images, like I said, are from this book. This is a party favor box. And then that's some of the images on index cards. And we know how much I love index cards from my video I just did a couple of days ago. And if you want to see that one, I will put the card for that one too. Great pictures in this. I think she did a lot of drawing on these. And this this composition notebook, you know, we love our we definitely love our journals out of composition books. These images are so great. And then there's a cat, and it's another envelope with another journaling card. The images are what I just love so much. And lots of pockets and a little envelope there. I think she did a really excellent job decorating her pages, decorating the index cards, all the pockets. Another flip out, and another note card. This is index card in here. These images. A bag, a fun bag, and it's got a tag and a journaling card. And then another, she really decorated. She used, you know, her $14, she really used it well, and you wouldn't know she only had $14 to spend. But I got a really nice journal in the swap, and I really love it. And then I wanted to share the images she sent me that were extra, that were left from the book she bought. And I just did a video on glue books yesterday. You should go back. These images would be great. I mean, look at all this. So, and just to show you a few. Don't you love that? I love that. those. I mean, these images are just amazing. And you have some hearts and other pieces of paper. She basically gave me everything that she had left, which I appreciate because we all love our bits and bobs. And this is a cute little bag. Look at that. Part of a bag. Oh, it's part of a bag. Isn't it cute though? Lots of uses. But these images and the laces and everything. So this is great, great, great. Not only like journaling cards, index cards, clusters, glue books. And what do we call our glue books? Not glue books, collage journals. Great stuff for collage journals as well. I mean, she just did an amazing job. I love that she sent me everything. These images are just truly amazing. That, I think, was part of a balloon, I would almost guess. But just love all of these images so much. I think they're just very, I don't know. I just love them. These images are just amazing. My cat. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree journal I got in the swap. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.